In this problem, we're going to find the equation of the tangent line to a curve. And this is a problem that's asked quite often on the AP exam, especially the AB exam, is to find the equation of the tangent line to a curve. To find the equation of any line, we need a point, which they give us, and a slope. And the way we find slope in calculus is dy dx. So this means we want to find dy dx evaluated at the point 1, 2. So we need to first of all find dy dx, or the slope of this curve in general. So we're going to need to use implicit differentiation. The derivative of 2x squared is 4x, and the derivative of y squared is 2y dy dx because of the chain rule. And remember, basically, wherever there's a y, there's got to be a dy dx, is equal to the derivative of 9 is 0. Now, we could go ahead and solve this equation for dy dx if we'd like, but since we really only need it evaluated at 1, 2, we can go ahead, for the sake of making things a little bit faster, and substitute in our 1 for x and our 2 for y, and now solve the equation for dy dx. Makes things a little simpler sometimes. So in this problem, we find out that dy dx equals -1. Now, we could go straight over to the answers and see that the only equation that has -1 as a slope is b. So that's really nice in this case. But if we have choices that have more than one that has -1 as a slope, then you're probably going to want to go ahead and finish the problem, which is using y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. Now this is called point slope form of a line. And you put in your point, y minus 2, and you put in your slope, which we calculated to be -1, and you put in your x, which is 1. And according to this, if we were using this for a free response question, we would just stop. But over here, we've got slope-intercept form, so we might want to go ahead and work this out. Now again, on this particular problem, we don't really need to keep going because the only answer that had a -1 as a slope was B. So that's a little test-taking tip. But in general, this is how you come to that conclusion.